teaching you how to make your own treasure map. You can color yours and design yours however you want. Mine is the Voyage of the Dawn Treader from Narnia. You could rip some pieces off to make it look like it's worn and old. Like this. To do that, you want to crumple it up and then uncrumple it again to make it look worn and old. And then after you do that, you're going to want to soak it in tea or coffee. So now you're going to pour a tiny bit of your tea onto the tray and let it 5 to 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes, and now you're going to take it out and drip it, and then you're going to set it on a different pan to let it dry. Don't want to wait all night. Stick it in the oven for 200 degrees for 10 minutes to let it dry. Your map should look like this. I burnt the edges a little bit on these so it looked like a real treasure map. Ahoy, mateys! Now we're gonna go and search for some treasure with your treasure map. You could also rip it in half and then hide it around your house. But the last thing you need to do is to roll up your map. Roll it up nice and steady so none of your edges rip. And now you got your very own map. Maybe next time we can learn how to make a sword. A pirate's sword. That's the end of this video. If you want to see more videos, hit that subscribe button. See you all in the next one.